Yun, dami pa kasi rito. Ibaliliit na ano, ibaliliit na artifacts. Yan, San Felipe Neri, late 18th century hanggang early 19th century ivory. Tapos Providence. Wait lang ah. Ito natin yung data. Data na naman pala. Okay lang pala kahit hindi. Yan. Yan. San Jose Con Niño Jesus. Provenance unknown. Early 19th century ivory. Made siya ng ivory. Made siya ivory. Made of ivory siya. San Francisco de Assis. 19th century ivory din. Ivory din. Silang tatlo made of ivory. Ito si San Vicente Ferrer, 19th century, ivory heads and hands. Yung hands niya saka yung head made of ivory. Yung ulo niya saka yung kamay made of ivory. Si San Vicente Ferrer. Pag ganun tayo. Ito San Pablo Apostol, early 19th century ivory din. Yan, si San Pablo Apostol yan. Yung isa, si San Pedro, St. Peter yung isa. Vegan Ilocos Sur. Vegan Ilocos Sur, ivory din. Yan, si San Pablo, saka si San Pedro, made of ivory. Ito, Santo Niño, ivory and wood. 20th century na to. Si Santo Niño, 20th century. Ivory and wood siya. Made of ivory and wood. Ito, head and hands, late 19th century. Heads and hands. Head and hands, late 19th century. Ivory din. Ito, Madonna and Child, 18th century. Ivory heads and hands. Yan, si Madonna. Madonna and Child, si Papa Jesus, saka si Mama Mary. Yan. Ivory heads and hands, 19th century. Yan. Ito, luma na talaga to. The Crucifixion, galing pa sa Piat Cagayan. The Crucifixion, galing pa sa Piat Cagayan. 18th century, ivory din. Yan. 18th century, ivory din. Crucifixion. Galing pa sa Piat Cagayan. Yan. La Santissima Trinidad, 19th century, ivory heads and hands. La Santissima Trinidad. La Santissimo Trinidad. Yan. Ivory heads and hands. Yan. Ivory heads and hands. La Santissimo Trinidad. Yan. 19th century. Dito, marami rito. Ito, Santo Cristo, resucitado. Santo Cristo resucitado. Yan. Polocremid lightwood. Polocremid lightwood. Yan. Lightwood lang siya, polocremid lightwood. Santo Cristo resucitado. Ito, Santo Cristo resucitado din. 18th century, Molave. Yari siya sa Molave, sa Kabagong. 18th century. Polychromic wood. Polychromic wood. Ganun din, ano siya? Santo Cristo resucitado din. Ito, San Agustin. San Agustin. Providence and date unknown. Yari siya sa wood. San Agustin to. Yari siya sa wood. Oh. Solid wood. Ito, San Gregorio Magno. Late 18th century. Hardwood. San Gregorio Magno. San Gregorio Magno ito. Oh, hardwood. Yari siya sa hardwood, 18th century. San Gregorio Magno. Yan. Ito, San Jeronimo. Wood, made of wood. Molabe. San Jeronimo. Made of wood and Molabe. Yan. Ito, San Lorenzo Giacono. San Lorenzo Giacono. Polychromid wood. San Lorenzo to, San Lorenzo. Polychromic wood. San Lorenzo Giacono. San Lorenzo Giacono to. Tapos yung isa dito, crucifixion. Crucifixion made of wood. Made of wood siya, made of wood. San Mateo Evangelista. Dito, Manila or Pampanga. 17th century. Yari sa wood, Molabe. San Mateo Evangelista. San Mateo Evangelista. Mateo or Pampanga siya. Galing. 17th century. Made of Molabe wood. Molabe wood siya. Tapos ito, San Juan Evangelista. San Juan Evangelista to, made of wood din. Yari din sa kahoy, made of wood. Wala na nga isang kamay eh. San Juan Evangelista. Kawawa naman, wala na isang kamay. Ito rin, wala. Dalawang kamay, actually, wala dito. Dalawang kamay, wala na oh. Si Virgin Mary, hardwood. Virgin Mary, made of hardwood siya. Yan. Pag ganun ulit. Ito, Nuestra Señora del Rosario. Batikuling. Wood batikuling. Yung batikuling. Sa Ilocano, batikuling. Si Nuestra Señora del Rosario. Batikuling. Wood batikuling. Ito, Leyte, urna. Itong urna na to galing sa Leyte. Polychromic wood din, Molabe. Polychromic wood, yari din sa Molabe. Ito, Leyte din, urma din. Polychromic wood din to. Ito, San Isidro, Labrador, 18th century. Polychromic wood. San Isidro, Labrador, polychromic wood, 18th century. Yan, polychromic wood. Yan si San Isidro, Labrador, polychromic wood siya. Ito, teka. Urna din, second half of the 19th century. Made of polychromic wood and Molabe. Made of polychromic wood and Molabe rin siya. Urna. Urna din siya. Yan. Polychromic wood and Molabe. Early 19th century. Ito, urna din to. Urna, probably late. 17th to 18th century. Molabe and Balayong. Molabe and Balayong. Polychromic wood, Molabe and Balayong. Yun siya yari. Baka probably galing daw sa Leyte. 17th to 18th century. Polychromic wood din. Tapos Molabe sa Balayong. Ito, Leyte, 18th century. Polychromic wood, Molabe. Polychromic wood, Molabe. Leyte din, 18th century. Ito talaga luma na. Providence and date unknown. San Isidro, Labrador. San Isidro, Labrador. Made of wood. San Isidro, Labrador. Made of wood. Yan. Dito, Urma, Parian Workshop, Manila, 17th century din. Polymed wood din, Molabe. Urma, Parian Workshop, Ano, workshop, Manila, 17th century. Polywood din sa Kamulabi. Ito. Bohol, galing naman sa Bohol to, Urma din. Third quarter of the 18th century. Polychromic wood. Ito, galing din sa Bohol. Polychromic wood. Yari din siya sa Mulabi. Yung ganda oh, angel response. The angel's initial response to evangelization was personal and intimate. It was not influenced by doctrinal instructions, or its effect was minimal. The indigenous people's perception of godhood was founded of their ancestral or Anito system and its native pantheon of gods as protectors or dispensers of good and evil. Nor were the earliest carvers themselves schooled. The early images were often clumsy, ugly even, yet they were compelling, visceral in the changing landscape of their now colonized homeland. They found comfort in the intercessions of the new faith for strange new illness that their own remedies could not heal. There was San Roque with the gasping wound on his leg to turn to for the failing harvest. There was San Isidro to soothe their sufferings under the conquistadors. There was Christ on the cross, or the Dolores Mother with whose sorrow as their loss could sympathize. You know, gaganda oh. Estola, provenance and date unknown, gold embroidery on silk, Manipulo. Yung one, ito, sabi, yung one, ito, yung tinatawag din ng estola. Ito yung estola. Estola to, ito. Itong mahaba, itong estola. Estola to, yari siya sa gold embroidery on silk. Oh, gold embroidery on silk to ha. Yan. Ito, il sol, estola tawag dito, estola. Dito, yung nasa gitna is Manipulo, unknown. Gold embroidery on silk din. Gold embroidery on silk din. Itong pangatlo is Kasula. Gold embroidery on silk din. Bali, estola, ikaw nasa una, yung nasa gitna, Manipulo, ito, Kasula. Yan. Ganda nito. Preserve talaga yan. Ganda nito. Ito, altar panel. Silver plated brass. Altar panel to, silver plated brass. Silver braided brass. Altar panel. Ito yung panel sa altar. Altar panel to. Ito, altar panel din. Silver braided brass din. Ito, altar panel, credentia. Silver plated brass din. Silver plated brass, credentia. Dami pa pala rito. Ito maganda eh. Yan. Altar frontal, arco, gradas, rabelet with candle holder. Yan. Ganda oh. Immaculate Conception siya. Yan si Immaculada oh. Si Immaculate Conception, ganda. Si Immaculada. Ganda. Upload videos lang to, kagabsat, mga bonsai ha. Sayang nga, pwede ko pa nang sana ni-live eh. Next time, babalik na lang ulit ako dito. Ang ganda oh. Communion plate and trays. Late 19th, 20th century. Silver sila lahat. Made of silver lahat. Pang ginagamit sa communion, mga plate. Plate pang communion. Yan. Tapos ito. Portipas. Incense boat. Incense boat. Censer, aspergillium and aspersarium. Yan. Ito galing pa sa Cagayan Valley to, 18th century, silver gilt. Cagayan Valley galing to, mga to. Sa Cagayan Valley pa, 18th century. Yan. Early century, 18th century silver. Puro silver siya. Yan. Galing Cagayan Valley, puro yung pinaglalagay ng ostya. Galing Cagayan Valley pa to. Yan. Cagayan Valley rin to. Yan. With patent, Providence. Chalice to, chalice. Pinaglalagay naman ng kopa, ay nung alak ng pare. Chalice yun, diba? Chalice. Cagayan Valley rin siya galing 18th century, panay silver. Yeah, pinaglalagay ng alak ng bompo ng pare. Yan. Chalice to eh. Galing Cagayan Valley, 18th century. Tapos ito, holy oil containers. Holy oil containers yon, yung maliliit. Holy oil containers. Tapos number 2 picks. Number 2 picks, silver lahat din. Picks yata yun, hindi ko na alam. Banga Aklan yung ano, yung lagyanan ng os. Yan, yung lagyanan ng ano yan. Galing Aklan, Banga. Baptismal shell. Okay, baptismal shell. Eto. Yan, baptismal shell. Tapos sauce maker, yan. Iron and wood. Made of iron and wood yon, yung hose maker. Tapos ano na, cruise chest na. Cruise chest, di ba? Dami pa pala rito. Yan. Providence and date unknown. Wooden wheels and base brass bells. Sacramento, the centrality of the main altar. Ito ay inuupuan ng mga pare. Ito na yung mga inuupuan mismo ng mga pare sa kanang sacristan, di ba? Siyempre yung gitna pare, yung dalawa sacristan, di ba? Sacristan yung dalawa, yung isa pare, sa gitna pare, dalawa sacristan.
Sure.
Haba pa pala nito. Ito, San Juan Bautista. Ito, oilong canvas. Yung baptism ni Jesus Christ. Binaptize na siya ni John the Baptist. Pinsan buo niya yan eh. Binaptize na siya ni John the Baptist. Yan. Baptism of Jesus Christ yan. At the River Jordan, binaptize siya ni San Juan Bautista, di ba yan? Oil on wood din, galing din sa Leyte. Coronation de la Virgen Maria. Coronation of Mama Mary. Coronation of Mama Mary. Leyte. 19th century, oil on wood din. Ito, Nuestra Señora de la Asunción. Leyte din, 19th century. Oil on wood din. Oil on wood din. Yan. Parehas lang. Coronation din to, de la Virgen Maria. Ito, la presentación de Jesus en templo. Presentation of our Lord Jesus in the temple. Yan. Ay, pa pala rito. Sagrado Corazon de Jesus, Bohol, oil on wood. Oil on wood. Sagrado Corazon de Jesus, oil on wood. San Agustin, Bohol, oil on wood. Ito, San Agustin, oil on wood. Ito, San Ignacio de Loyola, Bohol din. Galing din sa Bohol. Oil on wood din siya. San Ignacio de Loyola. Ito, si San Agustin. Pareha silang oil on wood. Ginawa sa Bohol. Ito, Bohol din. La Crucifixion, Bohol. Oil on wood din. Oil on wood din. Bohol. Yan. Ito, San Miguel Arcangel, Bohol din. Oil on wood din. Oil on wood din. Ito, Santiago Matamoros, Bohol. Oil on wood din. Oil on wood din. Puro oil on wood Ito, oil on canvas. La Sagrada Familia. Yan, Holy Family. Ito yung Holy Family, oil on canvas. Sa canvas na siya niyari. Yari siya sa canvas. Yan. 1880. Oil on canvas. La Sagrada Familia. Ito, Nuestra Señora de la Paloma. Simeon Flores de la Rosa, 1860, oil on wood. Oil on wood ulit, oil on wood. Ginawa siya ni Simon Flores de la Rosa. Nuestra Señora de la Paloma. Ito, El Transito de San Jose, 19th century, oil on canvas. Yan. El Transito de San Jose, oil on canvas, 19th century. El Transito de San Jose, oil on canvas. Ito, maganda. La Pieta, attributed to Faustino Quinotan, Baliwag, Bulacan lang. 1850, oil on wood. Ang gumawa is Faustino Quinotan, Baliwag, Bulacan. Oil on wood lang. All on wood din siya. O La Pieta. La Pieta yan. Ito, San Jose. Yan. Japanese Master Laguna. 19th century oil on wood. Ito, Mater de la Rosa. Japanese Master din. Laguna. 19th century din. Oil on canvas. Oil on canvas. Ito, Mater de la Rosa rin. Artist and date unknown. Oil on wood. Oil on wood. Dami pala. Nuestra Señora de la Carmen. Artist and date unknown. Oil on wood. Oil on wood. Yan. Nuestra Señora de la Paz. Pinviaje. 19th century. Oil on wood. Ito matindi. La Crucifixion, oil on wood. Crucifixion ni Jesus Christ, oil on wood. Yan. San Vicente Ferrer, Santo Niño, in San Isidro. Si San Vicente Ferrer, si Santo Niño, saka si San Isidro. Santo Niño ito. Diba? Ito, si San Vicente Ferrer. San Isidro yun. All on wood sila. All on wood silang tatlo. San Isidro Labrador. All on wood. Santo Niño, San Vicente, San Agustin. Yan, Santo Niño nasa gitna. Si San Vicente siguro ito. San Agustin yan. San Vicente, Santo Niño, San Agustin. Yan. Silang tatlo. San Vicente, Santo Niño, San Agustin. Yan. Crucifixion. Oil on wood, 19th century, galing pang Bohol. San Vicente Ferrer, oil on wood. Santa Barbara, oil on wood. San Miguel Arcangel, oil on wood. Yan. San Isidro Labrador, oil on wood. Dami po pala. Ito. Santo Domingo de Guzman, San Sebastian Church, Manila, 19th century. Oil on canvas. Yan. Santo Domingo de Guzman. Si Santo Domingo to. San Sebastian Church, Manila, 19th century. Oil on canvas. Yan. San Ignacio de Loyola, San Sebastian Church, Manila, 19th century. Oil on canvas. San Sebastian Church, Manila, 19th century. San Ignacio de Loyola. Ito, San Francisco de Assis. San Francisco de Assis. San Sebastian Church, Manila, 19th century. Oil on canvas din. Oil on canvas din. San Francisco de Assis, San Sebastian Church, 19th century din. Ito, si San Agustin, San Sebastian Church. San Sebastian Church din, si San Agustin, 19th century din yan. Yan. Tapos ito, San Agustin, Mariano Asuncion Molo, 1838. San Agustin, si Mariano Molo ang gumawa. Mariano Molo, 1838. Oil on canvas. Oil on canvas. Ito'y malaki. San Agustin, mid-19th century. Oil on canvas din. Oil on canvas din. Si San Agustin to. Oil on canvas din. Yan, out na muna natin kakabsat mga bulsoy ha. Out natin ulit, putol-putulin natin para maano itong mga upload videos natin. Bye bye. Mamaya ulit, may third floor pa.